Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm leaving on Sunday, which is in 2 days, to fly to Tucson, Arizona for my art lab retreat. I'm very excited. There's going to be 15 of us painting and experimenting and being fearless. But my head is full of last minute details and I need to take a break from that and just make something pretty. So I'm not experimenting tonight. I'm gonna do something that I really enjoy, and I'm just gonna change up the color palette a little bit. I'm using for my base coat, this is just some leftover, I call it my slop bucket paint. Lots of different colors that went into there, but it definitely ended up a little bit pinky violet gray. And I'm pairing that with permanent blue violet from Amsterdam and Chroma Molten Metals silver and a little bit of Artist Loft silver. And then my last color is Artist Loft Soft Body White and Vallejo Pearl Medium. I'm hoping to get some cloudy effects from that. And I'm going to load up my split cup. This is the Fiona split cup that you can get from Fluid Art Co. And it has 6 potential chambers, but I've only got 3 colors. So I'm going to layer the silver in the middle and the purple and white on the outside edges. And I'm going, once I put my base coat down, I'm going to put on my dish strainer. And I'm going to pour in a circle clockwise, and I'm slowly going to turn the canvas counterclockwise. And when I'm done, I'm going to pull this up, and I should have a spiral motion, and I'm going to spin it out and hopefully cover the entire canvas. So I don't want to talk anymore. I just want to paint. So I'm going to put some music on for you, and let's have some fun.
So many days is yet to come. Too many times has come to pass. Too many moments put aside. Getting out alive, getting out alive. Writing letters in the sand. Lost to ocean's gentle hand. Through the sunrise I will thrive. Getting out alive, getting out alive. When you find that open door, you gotta let them love you more. Tender hearts will always fight the darkness of the light.
So here we have the wet results, and isn't she pretty? I love my purple spiral. I can't wait to see when it's dry how much sparkle we're gonna have in there. I think all of that is silver laying over top of the purple. That's gonna be really, really pretty. Gives it a beautiful smokiness too. And I love the way it's scalloping on the edges. I needed to keep spinning to get rid of paint from the center, but I'm glad I was able to keep some of these outer edges. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, so pretty. I love the way it stretches over the edge too. It's really pretty there too. Yeah, some lovely cloudy effects from the Vallejo Pearl Medium and Artist Loft. I just strained it, so there was lots of air bubbles in it, but that's okay. I think it adds to the kind of gemstone kind of quality to it. I think it's beautiful. I hope you like it too. Thank you very much for watching, and go mix up some paints and be fearless.